Hello guys. Today we're going to talk about one of my most asked questions because I have such fine hair. You guys are curious as to how I make my hair so big. So this is how I do it. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to show you every step I do. Now this is when my hair I usually style my hair on one day and then I'll go to sleep on it. And this is what it looks like when I wake up in the morning. So it's not too bad. Kind of flat though. That's kind of what you deal with fine hair. With my haircut, it's a lot more voluminous than usual. But what I'm going to do now is make sure that my hair is completely dry. My hair plays me. I like to say that a lot. It plays me a lot. Like, it seems like it'll be dry, but there'll still be some moisture in it. So what I'm doing here is diffusing it on a low heat setting, and whenever I diffuse my hair, I always flip my head over. I never diffuse it, like even right there when I'm diffusing it kind of to the side, I have my head flipped over so that it kind of falls to the front, and that helps the volume because it really lifts your roots. So that would be one of my main tips. Everything that you do, you're going to want to do with your head flipped over. Even when I'm styling my hair, which I guess I could have included that, but whenever I style my hair and I apply products, I have my head flipped if I'm going to want volume. And I kind of scrunch upward. And that just helps. Like I said, my hair is pretty fine. I know it looks big, so it's kind of deceiving, but I do have a very fine hair texture. So I'm continuing to dry my hair just to make sure, because before you pick your hair or do any of the things that I'm going to do later in the video, you're going to want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. Otherwise, you're going to cause unnecessary frizz. And although frizz is not, like, I don't hate frizz, I actually welcome frizz, I'm not trying to cause more than I should have. Because that's really not the look I'm going for. And that's something else that I do right there. I kind of push my hair to the front. I don't have bangs, but I like for my hair to be lifted a little more in that section. So as you can see, when I do that, it just kind of gives the front of my hair even more lift. So I'm going to go now and go ahead and get ready and put on like makeup. And yeah, so the other tip that I can give you, this is how I leave my hair when I'm doing my makeup or anything. I put it in a pineapple at the very top of my head, just again to encourage a little bit more volume. So even there, you can tell that my hair has gotten bigger than it did when I first started this video. So what I'm doing there, this is a like a root lifter. I actually got, I think this is from Conair. I got this from Walmart, and this is what I would do with my fingers typically. But as you can see, I've gotten to the point where I just keep breaking my fingernails, and I don't like that feeling. So this is what I typically do with my hands. I pretty much just go in at the root and wiggle. This is not the same as picking, but this just goes ahead and lifts your roots out and kind of breaks apart some of those curls, because when I do my hair, I use a Denman and I get a lot more clumps than I would typically, and so this is kind of just breaking those up a little bit and giving you a little bit more fullness. So that's all that I'm doing right here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my favorite thing in the world, as you guys know, the metal pick. And I don't know what it is about a metal pick as opposed to a plastic one, but see, I already got excited, because as soon as you start to pick your hair, like at the root, see how much more lift you get? Yeah, I get excited when I do that, and I just broke another nail. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue to pick my hair out until my heart's desire. And some people do this a lot more than I do, but because I want my hair to last a few days without having to restyle it, I don't do as much as I could. Like, you can make your hair as big as you like, but again, if you're gonna continue to pick it, you are gonna lose some definition. And I like to keep the definition in my hair still. If I were to continue picking, I'd lose a lot. Oh my God, look. I'm sorry, sometimes you have to gas yourself up, but seriously? See the difference that makes? So I just kind of want to stress that no, my hair doesn't just naturally get big. It takes some work there. So I don't know. I guess that's just not something that some people think about. It's something that I didn't really think about for a long time. It was just kind of something I did. But yeah, this is how I encourage my hair to be bigger. And this is great for you ladies that have the fine hair, you ladies, fellas who have the fine hair, as well as any other hair texture. Yeah, I get really, really extra when I pick my hair. Sorry. It makes me feel like, yep, this is my crown. Yep, fit for a queen. But yeah, that's all I'm going to continue to do, and you guys will see the end result. But it's really just that simple, guys. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Yeah, do that. Share this video so you can show, especially with your other natural friends, how to get their hair big, because I feel like a lot of people love big hair but don't really know how to accomplish that. So make sure to like it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys so much. Bye, guys.